Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to convert the Photoshop file into image file. So without any delay, let's get started. If you want to save the file, go to File and click to Save As option. And then select the folder where you want to save the file. And then select the format. As you can see JPEG or JPG format. Just click to this and click to save. You will get some of the options here. Keep this one as none and check the quality to maximum, and you can use this baseline standard option. If you want good image, then you can use this progressive option also, and then click OK, and then go to the folder where you saved the file. As you can see guys here, this is how you can convert the Photoshop file into image file. And if you want to save it in a different format, go to Save As again, and you can try PNG also. Change the file name and then select the folder and then click Save. Keep these options as it is and then click OK, and then go to the folder. As you can see guys here, we converted the Photoshop file into image file. So this is how we can convert the Photoshop file into image formats. And that's all guys for this video. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.